I sent this 3-barrel hair curler to check out with you, so we're gonna open this up and style my hair with it today. Here it is. I love that it's pink. Super cute. This has a ceramic glaze coating to help protect your hair, and it heats up super fast. It goes from 0 to 410 degrees in just 60 seconds. It has a great quality cord with a 360 swivel, which I love. I always look for this in my hair tools. I also love how long this cord is. All right, so it says off right now. We're gonna power that on, and it should heat up within 60 seconds. Then there's 2 arrows here to control the temperature. I'm gonna turn it up to 150 degrees Celsius. For most hair types, that's gonna be high enough. You really don't need it at 410. And voila, this is what it looks like all done. The trick to this one is to, at least on the very top layer, to keep it as flat as possible. If you angle it like this, your waves aren't gonna look the same as mine. But the flatter you keep this all through the hair, the more volume you're gonna get. If you turn it sideways, your waves are gonna lay kind of weird, and it's not gonna give you the result that you want. Overall, I love this. I love the ceramic coating. It didn't pull my hair at all. It makes quick work of waving your hair, and it does a really great job. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.